If you're trying to install a game through Epic Games but you keep seeing install failed, don't panic. This error is annoying, but it's often pretty easy to fix. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the download. Restart your router if needed. Then open Epic Games Launcher again and try the installation. Still not working? Check your storage space. Make sure the drive you're installing the game on has enough free space. Some games need more room than their listed download size. Next, try running Epic Games Launcher as an administrator. Close the launcher completely. Then right-click the Epic Games Launcher icon. Choose Run as Administrator. Now try installing the game again. Another quick fix is clearing the launcher's cache. Close Epic Games first. Then open the Run window on Windows by pressing Windows and R. Type %localupdata% and press Enter. Find the Epic Games Launcher folder. Open the saved folder. Then find the web cache folder and delete it. Don't worry, this clears temporary files. It won't uninstall your games. After that, restart your computer. Open Epic Games Launcher and try the installation again. If you're still getting the error, verify the game files if the game is already partially installed. You can also check whether your antivirus or Windows security is blocking the launcher. Finally, make sure Epic Games Launcher is updated. An outdated launcher can sometimes cause installation problems. So before you reinstall everything, try these simple fixes first. Check your internet. Check your storage. Run Epic Games as administrator. Clear the cache. Then restart your PC.